To Mr. NHI's Human Identity in the Hot Seat. I have Mike from Aembit here. Are you ready, Mike, to
I'm ready.
face the hot seat?
I'm in it. Let's go.
Okay, so when did you personally realize NHI was a top-tier security risk?
I think like many people, when I looked at the dichotomy between how we protect humans versus non-humans, it was astonishing to think that we are so far behind on the non-human side. And now with the ratio upwards of 100 non-humans to 1 human, it's become an obviously critical point for us to take action immediately.
Okay, and do you think we're making the same mistakes in how we managed NHIs with AI agents?
I think there's some minor improvements. Like many technologies, we gravitate towards detection and response, where I think with AI, there's been a lot more discussions about protection and prevention, and that's going to help us save a lot of time.
Okay, and do you personally use AI agents yourself?
I do. Despite my gray hair, I'm on board with it. I use it day to day, mostly ChatGPT, some Claude, and get a little more dangerous as time progresses.
Okay, this is an interesting question. Is IAM for AI more important than AI for IAM?
It's definitely IAM for AI. That's because that's what Aembit does. But I do believe, I think identity is the true control plane for AI security, and I'm proud that we're playing a privileged role in that position.
Okay, do you think agents behave more like employees or software?
Smart people I work with told me it's software, but without humans, there's no real intent. But an autonomous agent to us is just software. It's another workload. So I would say software.
Okay. And do you think PAM changes dramatically with the introduction of AI agents?
I'm not sure if it changes dramatically, but it definitely pushes PAM closer to the non-human side than the human side. So having the ability to maybe cover that gap, focus more on just-in-time privileges, will probably go a long way.
And do you think it's truly possible to govern and manage AI identities, AI agents?
I do. I think when I look at the technology landscape right now for IGAs and workload IAMs, I think there's a lot of very sophisticated tools that can put us ahead of the game.
Okay, and do you think AI agents are going to need background checks like humans?
Not yet, but I would rely on much smarter people to answer that. But as of now, I'd say no.
And do you think organizations are putting time to market ahead of security controls for agents?
That's a really good question. I'd say it's 50-50. We make security organizations help us say yes to AI so the business can benefit from it. The other half have said yes already and said, okay, security, help us catch up. So it's definitely a concern.
Okay, and final question. Do you think AI agents will lead to mass unemployment?
Probably not mass, but I think it'll have a dent in some sectors. But thankfully, I think you still need humans.
Okay, well, thanks, Mike, for being Mr. NHI's Human Identity in the Hot Seat.